When he came home with the idea, I was like, oh, okay. Only because I know my husband and how when he gets involved in something, he gets 110%. You know, he goes full force. And so I've always supported him no matter what he did. So I knew he would always take care of his family. And we drink coffee. And so I know a lot of my friends do. So why not? You know, worst scenario, doesn't work, but we're still gonna drink coffee, but everyone does drink coffee. And so I didn't see it going wrong. I knew that once he put his, go full force with it, it was gonna be awesome. And I'm not surprised about what's happening right now, not at all. Yeah, so I'm very, happy that he did get involved with the coffee business.
Well, I tell you, when I first looked at this opportunity, I was like, absolutely not. I just felt that I was just too cool to sell coffee, number one, and I just really didn't think that it would really fly. And but to be sitting here now talking about Organo Gold and talking about coffee and being able to see what's happening since we've gotten started, it's a blessing, to know that we have now been able to put a couple of things together. Coffee, which is the number one addiction in the world, our product, which is the number one herb in the world, and then of course, when you look at culture and leadership, we've put all that together, and that it's been explosive.